SBI, one of the very, very strong favorites in the market. Both retail, fund managers, FIIs, everybody have, because it's a huge shareholder based stock. Ranking, earnings rank is 90.7. Fantastic earnings rank, while again there is a problem, we will come to that. Price rank is 27.8. So when there is such a big mismatch, earnings is at 90 and price rank is at 27, that means something is problematic. The market will not miss any information. People think that stock is cheap. It cannot be cheap for a very long time unless there is some sector itself is going through a change. Otherwise, it will not be there. So here in SBI, what's happening is, again, extraordinary is filling profits, which is not good. Suddenly they will sell all these listings. I think SBI Life, SBI Cards, all that money they are pushing in, it's coming as extraordinary income and giving profits. How many quarters they can sell like that? Even if they have 15 companies to sell, after 15 quarters they will dry down. And because of that, if they are pushing these profits, finally we will get to know the reality, it is negative. I think about 1.5 years back, continuously they were giving losses. While now in this quarter NPAs have improved a bit, while volatile profit on growing income is actually growing for the bank, while profit is very, very volatile. This clearly shows management is having some problem in managing this company or the bank. When there are private banks which is doing fantastic profits, this bank is struggling, though being the biggest bank in our country. Trailing the industry in valuation, book value is, the stock is now trading less than book value. Very, very bad condition for a bank which is the front end of our country. Feels bad. So many people having commitment on this. I know a lot of fund managers just pick up this stock and keep in their portfolio for reasons. If suppose they have some other stock which drops down, they will eat the portfolio. So to safeguard that, they will buy SBI and keep. And it's become a pathetic stock. FIIs have told clear bye-bye. Mutual funds are clueless, confused now. They are just holding on for what they are holding, we don't know. The stock is not doing well at all. Retail investors are loading this stock. About some 1.5 years back, the stock was at 320 rupees. Now it is at 190, 180 levels. How much loss they are holding in their portfolios, it's bad. While at the same time, there are banks like Kotak Mahindra, HDFC Bank, Axis Bank, ICICI Bank doing fantastic runs. People are investing in these kind of stocks and losing money. SBI needs a close below 178 to get strong. Looks like it is coming closer to that. Maybe after a small drop, it can become strong, and then along with the whole banking sector, it can run up if that so happens. If suppose it doesn't come to below 178 on close, goes up, then 231 break or a reversal on the charts will make this stock attractive. Last week there was an expectation that it will reverse. It didn't happen. It dropped, and this week it is going down. So not so attractive for now. SBI is a food cooked, which is not tasting good. That's what I put this image. Need not be in the stock. While suppose you are having the stock, have a stop loss. There is no stop loss now. It's already gone below all levels. Somebody wants to buy, wait for a reversal or a breakout or a close below 178 on monthly, and then think about buying if it builds up strength. As of now, there is no reason to buy the stock. This is our thoughts and views on SBI. Somebody already holds a position, hold a strict stop loss. The stock is very, very weak. If you want to buy the stock, we already told, let it have a resistance break or a reversal, which can take some time.